It's back to school already! Let's check out the Musician's Edition Student Flute in white copper. The Musician's Edition Student Flute in white copper is the perfect flute for a beginner flutist. This flute is a blend of copper, nickel, and zinc, making it more affordable and fitting your budget. It's closed hole, perfect for those new flutists just starting to learn, offset G for smaller hands. And this flute has the extra feature of the split E mechanism, making it easier for some of those high notes to ring out loud and proud. And this flute has an amazing response, so it can handle when you're learning and going slow, and it'll go with you right as you go along and get faster. At Musician's Edition, we believe that every aspiring musician deserves an instrument that not only meets their educational needs, but also inspires creativity. Our student flute in white copper embodies this philosophy, offering a perfect balance of affordability, durability, and musicality. Unleash your musical potential with the Musician's Edition Student Flute in white copper, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every note resonates with possibility. Get your flute today at musiciansedition.com.